So I just got in this 8-pack of solar ground lights. These things are pretty cool. You gotta check them out. So in the box you get 8 of these solar powered ground lights. You also get 32 mounting screws. You can put 4 in each one, or you can use adhesive to just stick these wherever you want these. There's a power switch on the back. You just turn it on and you can see how they work. That thing is pretty slick. All right, so these things are pretty cool. You charge them in the sunlight for 6 to 8 hours, going to provide you with 10 to 12 hours of LED light lighting your way. They are waterproof, crust resistant, up to 10 tons, which means you can put these in the driveway, drive over them if you need to. It installs in minutes on your deck, your driveway, steps, or you can do what we're going to do and install them on your handicap ramp. Check these out.